Imagine spending millions of dollars training an AI to be an absolute genius, only to realize it knows too much. And now you have to figure out how to surgically delete its memory before releasing it to the public. That is exactly what Anthropic just did. But why would an AI company intentionally make its newest model dumber? Traditionally, large language models are dense monoliths. When an AI learns how to write Python, analyze literature, or engineer a virus, all that information is tangled together inside the exact same billions of parameters. For safety, companies used to train models to simply refuse dangerous questions, but the underlying knowledge was still trapped inside the network. With a clever jailbreak or a tiny amount of fine-tuning, hackers could easily bypass the filter and unlock those dangerous capabilities. Simply suppressing knowledge doesn't work. To make an AI truly safe, Anthropic had to find a way to physically delete targeted knowledge without lobotomizing the rest of the model.
Enter GRAM, or Gradient Routed Auxiliary Modules. Instead of forcing the AI to store everything in one big pool, Anthropic widened the network's layers, creating dedicated, isolated compartments for high-risk categories like cyber weapons, virology, and nuclear physics. During pre-training, when the model reads normal text, it updates its general brain as usual. But the instant it encounters hazardous data, a routing mechanism freezes the main network and directs all learning gradients strictly into that specific auxiliary module. The dangerous knowledge accumulates only inside its dedicated box, completely isolated from the AI's core reasoning engines.
Here is where the magic happens. When Anthropic deploys the public model, they simply unclip the module. Because the hazardous data was never allowed to touch the main weights, deleting the module removes the dangerous capability as effectively as if the AI was never trained on it in the first place. And the best part? General intelligence, coding ability, and reasoning remain virtually untouched. Even if an attacker tries adversarial fine-tuning, there is no hidden knowledge left to resurrect. By intentionally making their AI dumber in specific hazardous domains, Anthropic created the world's first true hardware-style off-switch for dangerous AI knowledge.